Hello and welcome. Today's short practice is going to be core oriented. We'll focus on the concept of Samana Vayu in yoga and expect mindful and thoughtful transitions, core strengthening, and stability. At the end of this practice, you should feel strong, integrated, and less scattered, so more focused. All right, let's begin. Grab a cushion or a block to sit on, and you can be upright on your knees. I like to come up to my knees so that I can bring my spine directly upright. I don't want any rounding in the low back here. Breathing in and out through the nose, I really want you to solely focus on the exhale. On the exhale, I want you to firm the abdominals and make them nice and strong and integrated. All right, here we go. In and out through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Draw the abdomen in. Contract the abs nice and tight. Good. Let that go. Remove the block or the cushion if you have one. Come up to all fours. Hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. 3 cat-cows. Inhale, lift the tailbone, lift the chin, drop your belly. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, navel to spine, chin to chest. Again, focus on navel to spine here. Inhale, lift the chin, lift the tailbone, drop the belly, pull shoulder blades back. Exhale, tuck the tail, chin to chest, navel to spine. One more. Inhale, looking up. And exhale, looking down. Good. Come to neutral and step back into plank pose. You may use your knees here if necessary. Let your feet be as wide as your hips. And we'll hold here for 5 breaths. In and out through the nose. Focus on the core. Breathe in. And breathe out 1. And breathe in. And breathe out 2. Breathe in. And breathe out 3. Stay with me here, nice and strong. Breathe in. And breathe out 4. And breathe in. And breathe out 5. Lower all the way down to your belly. Nice and slow and controlled if you still can, if you still have the strength. Good. Coming into Sphinx pose, slide your hands forward, bring the elbows directly underneath the shoulders. Relax the lower half of your body, press down, fingers wide, press down with the palms, lift with your chest and pull the shoulders back. Look straight ahead. 5 breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out 1. Breathe in. Breathe out 2. Breathe in. Breathe out 3. Breathe in. Breathe out 4. Breathe in. Breathe out 5. Lower down, bring the hands next to your ribs, fingers forward, elbows close to the body, feet together. Inhale, lift to cobra. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Take 3 breaths here, breathe in. As you breathe out, draw that lower belly up, in, and tilt the pelvis forward. 2 more, breathe in. And breathe out. And breathe in. And breathe out. From here, step the right foot all the way to the front between your hands. Option to bring the left knee down. Bring the hands to prayer as the torso comes upright. On an exhale, we'll take a twist to the right. Bring the left elbow over the right knee, hands to prayer. You can stay here on the knee, or perhaps your leg can be straight. 5 breaths. Breathe in. And breathe out 1. And breathe in. And breathe out 2. And breathe in. And breathe out 3. And breathe in. And breathe out 4. And breathe in. And breathe out 5. Coming back to center, bring your hands to the floor on either side of the right foot. We'll step into side plank on the left side. Option 1, you can bring the right foot halfway back and turn the toes out to the side as you roll to the blade edge of the left foot. Reach the right hand up to the ceiling. Option 2, stack the right foot in front or on top of the left. 5 breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out 1. Breathe in. Breathe out 2. Breathe in. Breathe out 3. Breathe in. Breathe out 4, almost there. Breathe in. Breathe out 5. Come back to plank pose and bring the knees down to the mat. Coming into puppy pose. From here, from all fours, walk your hands forward. Extend the arms forward. Elbows are lifted. Forehead down to the floor. Take 1 breath here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slide your hands back in. And this time, we'll come down to the elbows. Straighten your legs back for elbow plank. 5 breaths. Keep the hips in line with the shoulders and heels. Breathe in. And breathe out 1. And breathe in. And breathe out 2. And breathe in. And breathe out 3. And breathe in. And breathe out 4. And breathe in. And breathe out 5. Lower down. Bring the hands down to the floor, palms down, close to the ribs, fingers forward, elbows close to the body. Inhale, lift to cobra. Lift the chest, pull the shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Turn the toes under, hips up and back. Straighten the legs if you can. Focus on the exhale and drawing the lower belly up and in. 3 breaths. Breathe in. And breathe out 1. And breathe in. And breathe out 2. And breathe in. And breathe out 3. step your left foot forward between your hands. Bring the right knee down if you like, taking a twist on the left. Hands to prayer, right elbow over the left knee. You can keep the right knee down or right leg straight. Revolved side angle. Breathe in. And breathe out 1. And breathe in. And breathe out 2. And breathe in. And breathe out 3. And breathe in. And breathe out 4. And breathe in. And breathe out 5. Back to center, hands to the floor, side plank on the right. Option 1, step your left foot back halfway, turn the toes out to the side, roll over to the outside edge of the right foot. Option 2, stack the left foot in front or on top of the right. Left hand up to the ceiling, look upward if you can. Breathe in. Breathe out 1. Breathe in. Breathe out 2. Breathe in. Breathe out 3. Breathe in. Breathe out 4. Breathe in. Breathe out 5. Back to plank pose. Come up to hands and knees and begin to lift the chest upright so you're kneeling. Knees are hip width apart. From here, tuck your toes under so the heels are closer to you. Option 1, we'll come into camel pose for 3. You can bring your hands behind you, press your knuckles into the back of your pelvis as you lift the heart and pull the elbows backward, looking upward. Option 2, reach back and grab onto your heels. 3 breaths here. You can look forward, upward, or drop your head back. Breathe in. Breathe out 1. Breathe in. Breathe out 2. Breathe in. Breathe out 3. Release the pose and come into a seated position. From here, lie down on your back and we'll come into a short relaxation. I encourage you to stay. It's the last final bit, integration. As the breath settles and the body settles, just let your breathing slow down on its own. And bring your awareness to the center of your body, just about the navel. Imagine the breath coming in to the center of your body, and as you exhale, it spreads like warmth throughout. Inhaling through the center and exhaling integration through the body. Bring movement back to your body. Reach your arms up overhead. Give yourself a long stretch. Bend your knees, feet on the floor. Roll over to one side. Bring yourself up to sit. Bring your hands together in prayer at heart center. Bow your forehead down to your fingertips. Thank you so much for practicing yoga with me. Be well. I'll see you next time.